What? That's big. Wow. That's a good name for it. Oreo. Can I get a little close up right there? Thank you. Was she in the show?
No.
Oh, okay.
Showing in the second show.
Okay. Oh, after this first show, they got a second show?
Yeah.
Okay. He's a big boy. How old is he?
He's like 2 or 3 years old.
Okay. Wow. What part of Georgia is this kennel?
Huh?
What part of Georgia you guys located? Is that him in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, some pretty dogs. You selling these things?
I don't know.